50 lakh opportunities for electronics and telecommunication students by 2022. India's digital base is second largest in the world among emerging economies. Industry 4.0 opened up doors for Indian industries and students to rule the electronics and communication world. India is the third biggest startup ecosystem in the world, and in 2019 alone we have more than 1300 plus startups started in India, and electronic market in India projected to reach 250 billion by 2025. If you take mobile devices manufacturing and services, Internet of Things, consumer electronics, industrial electronics, if you take 3D printing or telecom, aerospace, defense, medical devices, automotive electronic devices, PCB manufacturing, chip manufacturing, I think we are moving forward in a rapid phase. And the demand for electronics hardware was increased from 45 billion in 2009 to 400 billion by 2022 within India itself. So it's a huge market opportunities for the entire world as well as for Indian industries. So that's where the Make in India for electronics is started, and we are receiving billions of investments in electronics as well as telecommunication side. It is not only about manufacturing the hardware boards, it is about the Internet of Things devices, it is about the cloud computing, it is about the 3D technologies, it is about the quantum communication. The rate of communication bits was, the transformation rate of bits was increased like anything. With help of the IP6, the rate of data transformation was speeding up, and India is the one which is utilizing all these opportunities along with the blockchain and 3D printing and machine language, it is a part of a Digital India initiative. And with the help of these exponential technologies and rapid skill enhancements and new work strategies and processes, approximately 50 lakh opportunities are going to get generated by 2022. So it is like you can say nano electronics, or solar photosynthesis, or in electronic product designing, or chip making, or on VLSI designing, or in embedded systems, or in aerospace, or if you take any automobile, lots of automobile manufacturing companies are completely upgrading their infrastructure to Industry 4.0. So our electronic and telecommunication students are going to play major role not only in the electronic industry, they are going to play major role in the healthcare industry as well as automobile industry, along with the telecommunication domain. So we as Education Ministry, we are empowering students using National Education Policy 2020. So if in a nutshell, what is National Education Policy 2020 is all about is taking the requirement of an industry and with help of technology empowering the educational policies to upgrade the skills of a student for better future. So that's what it is all about, and it was very beautifully well crafted education policy, and we adopted advanced technologies and simulation based learning, real time learning, and converting all the content into a digital content, and we are giving it in a formats like textual based, image based, video based, and we are giving on a simulation based, on a gamification based, and converting all the content in various local languages in India. And for higher education students, National Education Policy concentrates on innovation, on research, entrepreneurship, and real-time learning and internship opportunities. So all these changes of NEP is to make India Vishwaguru. And I'm sure our students will fall in love with our new education policy and understand the requirements of electronics and telecommunication industry, which is going to create 50 lakh opportunities for them, and they will take our country forward. Thank you very much.